Good morning, dear students. And now, today we are going to start the revision of TT first. Our first chapter is transport of food and minerals in plants. Okay. So now, like as you know, all plants made up of living cells, and living cells need food. Living cells need food for growth, development, and repairing of damaged organs or tissues. Okay. So now, first question arises in our mind: how to transport? And how to transport? Like transportation of prepared food from the leaves to the other parts of plants where it is required. But okay. And the next, transport of raw material like as carbon dioxide, H2O, that means water, and how to get sunlight and tap the photons of sunlight and change into a chemical energy. But how to it possible? Okay, so this question is how to transport. Basically, students, the system which work to transport the food and raw material for the fooding process, like as photosynthesis, this system is called vascular system. Basically, students, but some higher plants consisting vascular system, but some lower plants like as fern is there no vascular system in lower plants or fern plants. Okay, so now vascular system, that means once again we can define it: the system which transported food, minerals, and water in plants. This is called vascular system. Basically, students, two main parts of vascular system that work. Okay, and these specialized cells combinedly called vascular cells. Vascular cells. Okay. So now xylems, that means what is the function of xylem? Xylem, the main functions of xylem to transport the H2O, means water and minerals. Because water and minerals are necessary for growth and development. So basically they form, we can see the water and minerals in the form of sap. But next term for you, that is the need. Sap means a solution which containing the amount of minerals and water. This is called sap, or also called cell sap. Okay. And phloem, the main functions of phloem to transport of food and what, students? Know you? No. Hormones. Hormones also synthesize the topmost sides of the leaves that helps to proper growth and remove the darkness in leaves and plants. So phloem transport, the main function of phloem to transport food, and main function of xylem to transport water and minerals. We can say that's the raw material from the soil through roots that transported by the xylem to the leaves, and food, that means the sites where is prepared the food, the leaves. Okay, students.